Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a lovely pea soup. Now it probably doesn't sound like the best thing, but it is really good, so stick around. Firstly I'm going to go in the pan with a little groundnut oil. Now we're going in the pan with our onion, so we want to just lightly caramelise our onion. Over here we've got 300 mils of beef stock. We're just going to go in with a little bit of this garlic puree, adds extra flavour. About a teaspoon, some pepper, and a little pinch of salt, and go into it with a large pinch of basil as well. So make sure that onion doesn't burn. I'm going to go into the onion with a little bit of butter and make it delicious. I'm using Marrowfat peas. These peas are perfect for making like mushy peas, but it also makes a really good soup, makes it really smooth. If you use like fresh peas or frozen peas, skin doesn't blend very well, but these ones perfect. So I'm just going to drain these off. Now we're going to go into our onion with our peas. Give that a mix. Now we're going to go in with our beef stock. Now we're just going to let this simmer for about 5 minutes, and whilst that's simmering I'm going to work on my flatbreads, but that'll be another video. So now the peas are getting soft, so I'm going to turn it off, let it cool, and then I'm going to put it in the blender. A little bit of water just to loosen it up a little bit. Now we get this back on the heat and drizzle with some cream just to make it extra special. And season with a little bit of black pepper. What a lovely, simple, light lunch.